Hello, welcome back to Inspire Art Linkings, where creativity takes flight. Today, we are diving into the realism of imagination, where a simple stroke of pen transforms into a symphony of ideas. Watch as vibrant hues dance across the canvas, giving life to a whimsical bulb, a sanctuary for the dreams of birds. Today, we invite you to join us on a journey of imagination and inspiration. As the canvas awaits, let your mind wander to a world where ordinary lines become extraordinary strokes. With each stroke of the pen, the scene unfolds. A bulb, a vessel of ideas emerge from the blankness. But wait, what's this? Within its delicate curves, a flock of birds takes shape, their wings spanning across the expanse of creativity. Through the magic of art, we celebrate the beauty of imagination, where boundaries fade and dreams take flight. Soaring above the constraints of reality, these birds remind us to embrace the freedom of expression and explore the endless possibilities of our mind. Join us as we delve deeper into the realism of creativity, where every brushstroke is a step closer to discovering the true essence of inspiration. Together, let's unlock the potential within and paint a world filled with wonder and awe. Thank you for joining us on this artistic adventure. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and let your imagination soar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much.